So today let's learn about Coulomb's law of electrostatics in this scalar form. So let's write it. Coulomb's law of electrostatics in its form in scalar form. So let's write the statement first, which is important. So it states that the force between two charges, it may be attractive or repulsive. It is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of each other. Here the each other it is the two charges. Okay, each other so better write each magnitude of each charge and is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So now let us understand the statement. So attractive, the force between two charges, attractive or repulsive. Attractive in the sense, if we consider two point charges, where we are considering point charges, and then attractive means what? They should be in opposite character. If Q1 is positive and Q2 is negative, so we always know that the if they are opposite, they will attract each other. And repulsive in the sense, if these both two point charges of same characteristics, that is this one is positive and this one is positive, so these two are same, so they will obviously repel each other. So this is what it meant when it said attractive or repulsive. And now again let's go to the statement. The force between two charges. Okay, let us get a diagram first. Proper diagram. It is Q1, Q2. I am taking it positive. For example, you can also take it as positive, negative. So they will repel each other. They are separated by distance. We are considering it as R. Okay. So the force between two charges. So mathematically, how we can do it? Mathematically, the force between two charges. So the force between two charges is directly proportional. It is proportional to the product of the magnitude of each charge. So these are two charges we have considered, and they are saying it is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of two charges. And the force, it is also inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So here we have considered R is the distance between the two charges, so it is said it is inversely proportional. So it is directly inversely, we have to write below, divide, and it is like this. It is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. This R comes from here, as we have considered the distance between two point charges to be R. So if we take this as equation 1 and this as equation number 2, so combining, or from equation 1 and 2, you can have it in any way. We can say combining means you have to just make it combined. Q of F equals to Q1, Q2, there is a product divided by R square. So to remove this proportionality sign, where F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. So this one we can also write it as k, q1 q2 by r square, where k is known as the proportionality constant. So it is known as the proportionality constant, and here the epsilon naught is the permittivity in free space. So this is what it is. This is the Coulomb's law of electrostatics in the scalar form. You can write it as this or this, that's your choice. So this is what it is. And there are two characteristics you can take for a while, characteristics of k. Okay, so it is the value of this k, it depends upon the units of the force and the charges, and it also depends on the medium between the two charges. So that's it. Thank you. If you have understood my video, you can comment, subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel if you like. I'll try to come with more topics for sure. So I want to support, help me. So thank you for today.